Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make chicken thighs in an air fryer, Ninja Foodi. So you definitely want to stick around for that. Don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a ton of other videos to check out on the channel, so please do. But first, let's get started with our chicken thighs in an air fryer, pressure cooker. We'll pressure cook them first, and then we'll finish them off in the air fryer. Let's get started. Chicken thighs, so I'm just gonna start to season them. Season with, this is a little bit of onion powder. Okay, onion powder. Got some garlic. Okay, Italian seasoning, all right. A little bit of thyme. Touch more thyme there. Just toss some more on there. Thyme leaves. Pepper. Some salt. A little bit of lemon zest. Always good on chicken. All right, spread it all around. Chinese 5-spice powder, toss some of that in there. All right. Pressure cook them first for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna crisp them up for another 15 minutes, and they should be good. Chinese 5-spice powder. Toss some water in there. You need a bit of liquid for pressure cooking, so just water. A little bit of honey garlic. Okay. Toss them all over the chicken. Touch of soy sauce. All right. Okay, let's get them pressure cooked, and then we'll start to crisp them up. All right. And I'll show you the temperature and show you what to set it on. Toss some lemon in there. All right. Lemon. Always need lemon. Toss the lemon pieces there. Just like so. All right. So a little bit of crushed garlic in there. Okay, so we're gonna, the time's fine. We're just gonna change it to pressure cooker. Oh, there we go. Pressure cooker, high, okay. We have to change the time. So the time dial is this one. Yeah, there we go. And we're gonna go 20 minutes. Pressure cook, okay. And all I have to do, pretty easy, you just press play. There we go, and it's gonna go and then pressurize and do its thing. And then when we come back, we'll crisp them up, air fry it. We'll take do the grill thing. So, I take them out of the pressure cooker. You always want to save that juice. The juicy is good for gravy, so you want to save that. So there's the chicken, and we're gonna throw them on the grill and put them back into the for the air fryer. Not too hard into the air fryer. Toss them in there. He's pretty warm already, so don't really have to preheat. Okay. And I'll show you the setting so I don't forget. So it's probably gonna do like 375 for 15 minutes, and check it out. Yeah. So the air fryer. Okay. And we're gonna go with time again. Okay, we're gonna go look at it 12 minutes. Okay, now what we have to do is change temperature. So click that button. We're gonna change the temperature to 3. Close a bit. Press play. There we go. And then in 12 minutes it should be done. Cool, hey? Open her up. Oh yeah, they're looking all pretty. Perfect. Guess we'll have to give one a try, right? They're a little hot, so use a fork this time. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. That was pretty cool. The chicken thighs cooked in the Ninja Foodi. Don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Tons of other videos to check out here, so please do. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.